In this example, we want to simplify our following expression of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. As we can see, this question is a bit different from what we've seen in the past. Instead of having 3 terms, we have 4 terms, all with different degrees. So instead of going by our normal factoring ways, we have to find a different method. To start this method, we want to add brackets to the first and second part of this expression. So we'll add brackets to these 2 terms, and then we'll add brackets to our second 2 terms. This doesn't change the question at all, we're just adding brackets. So we'll have x cubed minus 3x squared, all that is in brackets, and then we are still going to add our second part of our expression of 2x minus 6. Now within each of these brackets, let's see what we can factor out. In our first bracket, we have x cubed minus 3x squared. So our highest term that we can factor out is an x squared. So we'll take an x squared out of each term, and we're left with x minus 3. Now let's see what we can factor out of our second bracket. We have 2x minus 6, and the highest factor would be 2, so we're going to factor out a 2 from our brackets. So we're left with x minus 3. And as we can see, these 2 brackets are the same, so out of our whole expression, we can factor out an x minus 3, and we're left with x squared plus 2 as our final answer. Now you can double check this by using your distribution laws and checking if you get the same answer as our question above.